JB is the pogi. My baby. JB pogi. JB pogi. JB is so big. Big boy. JB, my baby, JB. You don't want to sit down? Hey, Jerry, you are grooming. Very beautiful. Oh, my mamba. My baby. You look onto my eyes. Oh. JB. Oh, you are seated na. Pogi. I'm pogi. Good morning. Happy Sunday to our subscribers. God bless. Papa Prince. This is how we look, guys. Ito. Look at the camera. My buns. So beautiful and cute. You look at this. Body. So cute. Beautiful. His hair also is beautiful. Oh. Closer now. Adu. Just while touching like this, it's like there is a connection to my heart. I don't know how to explain. When you press anything in touch, there's like this connection running down my veins to my heart. So they say that dogs can release stress, and love you. I love you. I feel it from my heart. That's why I love my dogs. I keep them healthy and I take good care of them. I don't let them get sick. They just get their rabies vaccination a few days ago to protect them from rabies. Not only to protect me from them, but to protect them from other animals with rabies. Diba? I love you. Eat Benji. Papa Benji. Papa, come here. Show your face. Princey, come here. Benji. Prince. Come here. Come on. Papa, this is your father. Where's Kibo? Kibo, come here, Kibo. It's their mom. These are the parents of this 1, 2, 3, 4, including Pochay. This is Mamba, Seri, Sebi, and Yungo. And this is their mom. Thank you for watching. God bless. Sebe, look at them. Happy Sunday. Late. Waking up like this. No work today. Tomorrow work. So let's have some video for our subscribers and for future reference. Look at that. No tail boy. So with this girl, no tail. Yeah. It's so cute. Yeah. It's like a chicken back. He doesn't have a tail. So ayan, that's his lechon pose. Try, babe. Sebi. So pogi. JB. Ibi ba Baba Brindy? We turned off the aircon 2 hours ago. It's so cold. So what happened to that? Prince. Yeah. This is Wuyong Wu, my bunso. 3-year-old baby girl. Dila nga. I love you. Mom. So big mamba, black mamba. So cute, so beautiful. I love you.